Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with this special binary puzzle. Yes, special one. Why? Because we have 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Yes, a hard one. Okay, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, February the 21st, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, you are interested in this binary because this one is a special one. Has 10 printed digits. Wow. Should be a hard one. We will see. 10 printed digits. And this will be a number, I believe, 6012. Yeah. 6012. Before I start, let me see what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, and there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Alright. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Now we need to think here. Now we need to think. Well, we have here yeah, we need to think. Need to think. 4, 4. 2 be everywhere here. 1, 2, 3 here or there. 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. I think the 1 should be there. If I place the 1, the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1. Oh, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Need to think again. 3 ones. Yeah, need to think again. I think we need to compare. We have 2 completed columns and 1 completed row. Yeah, and this one and that one seems a lot of the same. Yeah. Alright, let me compare. Empty box 0011111 00011 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there in the last row, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Alright. Now. Need to compare again. Yeah. This seems also... No, it's not the same. How about this this column and that column? 00111 0 O, empty box. 1, 1, empty box. O, O's. Need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Come on. One here. Cannot compare this one. 3 O's. Let me think. Overlook this double O. Here we have a double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. And now. Not the same. How about this double 1 here? No, not the same. Need to compare the columns then. Double O here. Double 1. Oh, almost the same. Do we have a double O? No. Double O here then. Double O. Double 1. O. 1. Yeah. This column again with the third column. Well, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 1 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Completed in 7 minutes. Wow. I thought it was a hard one, but it seems a regular one, yeah. Regular one. Anyway, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.